Why Google Ads account suspended every time when I create an ad. I'm not using any company name and other, but account is suspended. It could be any number of reasons. It's not about using any particular company name or using a. If you are using a trademark, your ads will get disapproved. If you are selling products where you are infringing on somebody's trademarks or copyrights, or somebody is selling fake goods, they will get suspended straight away or as soon as Google finds out about it. What you want to do is to go to the support.google.com page and just put in the Google policies, and it will tell you exactly what you can and what you cannot advertise on Google. If you infringe or you break any of Google's ad policies, and they're pretty strict about it, because Google wants to give everyone a great experience, and this is why we love Google. Whenever we go, we don't get any spammy or junky ads. They are all pretty good. And when you click on those ads, those websites you go to, they are also not, any um, what you call it, spammy websites, because they don't want to recommend those kind of websites on Google, because they are recommending you. They're sending traffic, so they want to send traffic to high quality or good quality websites. And what I mean by that is not in terms of the aesthetics of the website. It needs to be, trustworthy, and you have all your policies on the websites and so on. So it could be any number of reasons why your account got suspended. So I really can't make a comment as to why it is suspended. You can appeal, and they will reply back to you. That is really good with Google support, that you can appeal as to why. Because sometimes what happens is the algorithm picks up and it'll suspend. Then you need to appeal for a manual review. A human will review it and they say, yeah, it's all looking good, we'll unsuspend your account. And many a times I have seen client accounts being unsuspended within a matter of days.